sharp intellect and highly trained observational skills. It appears that the classrooms are stuck in a rut. The lessons are monotonous. The plague of boredom is spreading exponentially. The problem appears to be, dear Watson, that these lead teachers are not invigorating their lessons. These spectacular and creative individuals are allowing their spirits to be dulled. The solution is elementary, dear Watson. You see, we interrupt your regularly scheduled broadcast for this important announcement. Are you the tech-savvy teacher on your hallway?
Yeah!
Do you dream in iMovies and speak in tweets?
Yeah!
Have you started blending technology into your classroom already?
Yeah!
Well, you are exactly who we're looking for the EdTech Task Force. You'll have to give 3 days during the summer, 3 days during the school year. But what will you get? Glad you asked. You'll get hands-on experience with new digital technology. You'll focus on making usable lesson plans for your kids to enjoy all this new technology. And you'll become professional development leaders in the district. So, become a part of the task force today! And that is how it all unravels. Because spicing up the classroom and stepping up to leadership is just excellent, dear Watson.